Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you today's daily cipher word, which is NONCE. So this is today's daily cipher word. As always, we line up the letters N O N C E, then we find the corresponding Morse codes. You excuse my handwriting. Then let us start with N. N is here, long press tap. N is long press tap. Then O is long press 3 times, long press. Then again N, the same, long press tap. Then C is here, long press tap. C is long press tap. Then E, it's a single tap, as you can see here. Just tap once. Then let us get the phone and we enter in the Morse codes. Let me get the phone here. So as always, click on the second item from the left, Daily Cipher, until this button turns red. Now let us put in the Morse code. We start with N, long press tap. Then O, long press 3 times. Then N again, long press tap. Then C, long press tap. Then E, a single tap, and the word is NONCE. Lastly, click on take the prize and you'll be good to go. Good job, CEO. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next videos.